Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use Fina AI to chat with your finances and get clear insights about your spending. Let's start with a simple question. How much did I spend this month? Fina responds with the total expenses and also gives you context, like what filters or categories were applied to calculate that number. Now let's ask, what about last month? It gives you a different number, reflecting your previous month's total spending. Although sometimes you may need to rephrase or follow up to get exactly what you need. You can then explore where your money went. For example, show me a timeline of subscription expenses this year. Fina generates a chart showing monthly subscription spending, including projections. To focus only on the past, just say, "Only show year to date." Now, you'll see actual expenses from January through July, without future projections. Let's compare it with last year. Say, use a bar chart and show comparison with last year for subscriptions. Fina creates a side-by-side chart showing how your subscription spending has changed over time, month by month. That's it. This kind of natural back and forth makes it easy to explore your spending and drill into the details. Fina also shows how it builds the answers, so you understand where the data comes from. Thanks for watching. Try asking Fina your own questions and see what insights you can uncover.